Today I'm going to make a quick video on how to change out the headlight bulbs on a 2016 Honda CRV, and this one is a 2.4 liter V4. Step 1, pop the hood. If you go down by your emergency brake, you'll find the hood release lever. After pulling that hood release lever, the hood will pop open slightly. Now what you're going to need to do is find the Honda logo, slide your hand up above the Honda logo, feel for this secondary release latch, slide it to the right, use your other hand to lift up the hood, and then you need to prop open the hood with a hood prop, which the hood prop sits in its cradle right here. From there, you'll need to locate your headlight housing, then look behind your headlight housing. So Honda did a nice job designing this car because it's easy to change out these bulbs, unlike on a GMC Terrain where you got to take apart half the wheel well to get to the bulbs. With this Honda, you just pop open the hood and you have easy access to the bulbs. So the bulb with this blue housing right here, that blue clip, that's for the high beam. This one over here, which this is towards the outside of the light housing, this is your low beam bulb. So I believe the first thing we need to do is remove the electrical connector, which you just push down on the little tab, slide that out. See, there's a little tab that you press down right there. And from here, you take the bulb, twist it to the left, then it slides right out. Now these bulbs are H11 bulbs. Now, if you know your bulb's out and you have the time, I'd recommend you look up these bulbs on Amazon because you're definitely going to buy them a lot cheaper at Amazon than you'd find them at like AutoZone. $50 for this 2-pack at AutoZone. Absolutely ridiculous. But this car has to go and we don't have time to order a set of bulbs, so it's got to be done. Now when you do this, I'd recommend replacing both bulbs at the same time. If you're doing the driver's side because it's out, I'd also recommend replacing the bulb on the passenger side, just because the other one's probably not that far away from going out. So all you do to reinsert this, put it back in the hole. You want to make sure you feel the tabs catch. When the tabs catch, it'll sink back down. See, I'm twisting it right now. See how it sinks back down? And I'm going to turn this so that the connector's facing straight down. And now that's locked in place, that's sealed up, so there shouldn't be any water getting in there. All we do is slide that electrical connector back on the new bulb, and we'll give it a quick test. Pop open the door. Make sure the headlight comes on, which it does. That is a good repair. That's how you change out low beams, high beams, or turn signals on a Honda CRV. Thanks for watching.